So here it is. We are going to work with these files. Okay, or let me show you where does these files come from. We are dealing with this one. Okay, let me not delete. Let me not delete this one and go straight to the point. Okay, we are dealing with two files here. We are dealing with two files. This one is an instructions file. This one, that's where we are going to apply the instructions. So let us go. I will prefer to start here because or here. Let us save our name by changing here. Let us save our name by changing this one into 2. Which file? This one. I tell you what to do. You go straight to file and save as. Do not use this save. And then you go to browse. Where do you want to save your file? Oh, it's onto mine. Okay, that means it's okay. So if you find it like this, you are just going to erase and then place 2 and click save. You are done with that one, and then you go to the instruction to complete this same. Okay, let us leave those ones. If your footer does not display, my footer is there. If in case you don't know what footer is, they are talking about this thing. This is the footer. You will find it at the bottom of the document. Yes. So let's go straight to the point because we don't have time. My manager, what instructions start here. Change the paragraph spacing of the title paragraph. Employee learning programs designing innovative solution to 6 point before and 6 point after the paragraph. What do? We are going to change 6 point before and 6 point after the paragraph. I told you when you deal with paragraph or sentence, you are playing somewhere around here, somewhere you're playing somewhere. So let us go. When we change the paragraph spacing, that means you have to come here. Do not undermine this thing. It's working. This thing it's working, and I'm very much sure that you are going to use it in your exam or test. So here it is. You just click on it. Before you click on it, let us highlight this title or paragraph. They saying we must format it in 6 point before and 6 point after the paragraph. After we highlighted this title, that's where we are going to click on this, and then you see this dialog box. After clicking that tab, you can find the spacing here. The spacing before is 6, just increase, and then the spacing after is 6 also, just increase, and click OK. You are done. So let us proceed. Read the first comment from your manager, Andre Jamali, and then delete it. Okay, the first comment. Which one is the first comment? It's this one, and they even told you that it's Andre Jamali, so they want you to delete. You click on this 3 dots. Just click on this 3 dot and delete thread. You see, disappeared. Or let me undo by pressing Ctrl and Z. Or you come here, and here you are dealing with what's this? Comment. You are dealing with comment. Or you come here to review. You see, and then after review, you click on this one. On this comment that they are saying we must delete, and then you delete here. It's the same. So it will depend on which one you think it is better. So let us go because our time is limited. And then they say after deleting, change the 10,000 to 15,000 in the first sentence as Andre requested. Let's go and check. You see, is this one. They want you to change this 10,000 to 15,000 as Andre requested. You see, Andre said the cost they have increased to at least 15,000. Please change this number to reflect the increase. Okay, let me delete it. I wanted you to see that what Andre Jali commented. So we deleted that one. Now we are increasing to 15. We just erase that 0 and press 5. Then we go to the next one. Apply the lowercase to the text. Attractive recruitment and retention tools. Attractive recruitment and retention tools at the end of the first body paragraph. Let's go and look these words at the end of the first body paragraph. This is the attractive recruitment and retention tools. They want you to format it in a lowercase. At the end of the first paragraph, apply the lowercase. What do? You don't erase it and type it, because the SEM is going to detect that. You just highlight it. I told you, you play here at home. Here you play at home when you deal with formatting paragraph and the stuff. So you want to put this one in a lowercase. You just come here. To change the case, just come here. And then you click at lowercase. You see now you are done. You proceed to the next instruction. Create a bulleted list from the 4 paragraphs beginning with micro-learning and ending with gamification, and then decrease the indent by 1 level. Okay, I told you that dealing with computer, you must apply stage by stage. Apply stage by stage. So here they say create a bulleted list from the 4 paragraphs beginning with micro-learning, ending with gamification. Let's go and check those paragraphs. Micro-learning is this one. Gamification is this one, which means here we are going to deal with this. Here we are going to deal with this. Yeah. So let us deal with this one. Let us deal with this one. They say we must create a bulleted list for this one. What do? We highlight. They did not specify which bullet. So you just press the default one. It's this one. You see now we bulleted it. We bulleted those paragraphs here. So let's go to the instructions and listen what are they saying, or read what are they saying. And then decrease the indent by 1 level. Okay. What is the indent? What is the indent? In fact, what's the indent? This is very much simple. Very much simple. When we talk about indent, we are talking about these things here. These things here. We are talking about these things here. So when you press this one, it means you are increasing the indent. When you press this one, you are decreasing the indent. Let's see. Okay, just put a mouse here. You just have to put a mouse here. You see, it explains increase the indent. Here they say decrease the indent. So what are the questions saying, or the instructions saying? Where are we? They say, and then decrease the indent by 1 bullet. When they say decrease by 1 bullet, it means you just click once at decrease, like this. You see, it moved to the left just once. And then let's proceed with our questions or instructions. Move the bulleted paragraph beginning mobile learning so that it becomes the 3rd bulleted paragraph in the list. Beginning with mobile learning. They want it to become a 3rd one. Which one is mobile learning? It's this one. It's on the 3rd one. So what do? I saw someone asking these questions. Then this question, I said, okay, you will see it when I explain. What do? You can just highlight the whole paragraph here. You want it to become third bulleted one. So you drag it. You can drag it to here. To here at the end of the 3rd one, and put it like this. You see now you did drag it. So what do you have to do? You just click your mouse there before the mobile learning and press enter. And then now you can see there is this bullet here with empty paragraph. Just place your cursor here and press space bar. You see, still we erased that bullet, but we still have a huge space between mobile learning and gamification. What do? We continue pressing space bar. Now we are done. Can you see? Now you can see that mobile learning is on the third bulleted list. So let's continue. We don't have time. Let's continue. Where are we? Decrease the bulleted list. You becomes third. Okay, done with this one. Read the comment attached to the heading micro learning and then reply to it with the inserted an example. Okay. You know, the fastest way to do this thing is to copy this one. They want you to reply by this. I inserted an example. Where are you replying? To micro learning. Read the comment attached to the heading micro learning and then reply to it with I inserted the example. Okay, you just come here and copy it. It will be very, very, very much easier. And if you want, you can remove this bold and copy it without bold. And then you go to micro learning. You see now, this is a micro learning. This is a micro learning. So when you check this comment here, it's attached with this one, micro learning. So what are we going to do here? We are going to reply this comment by I inserted an example. So I just click here on reply and press Control V to paste what I copied from the instructions. I'm done. In that nature of the exam, like the mock one, when you reply, they don't want you to send. They want you to click on the blank and then it will proceed to the next one. If it doesn't proceed, just click send. You'll get it. But in that one, the mock test, they didn't want you to click send. They wanted you just to click on the black one and then it will proceed to the next question. Let's go to the next one. Open the file support what micro learning docs available for download at same. Okay, before we continue with the instructions, let us go and open the file they are talking about. They are talking about this one, support micro learning. We open it. While it is opening, we can continue with the instruction because we don't have time. Okay, enable editing. Now opened. Okay, open the file learning available. Copy only the text. Do not not the paragraph mark. Paragraph mark, they are talking about this thing. And then not the paragraph mark in the support document and then paste. Okay, before we can continue, let's go. There's no paragraph mark here. There's no paragraph mark, which means we just copy the whole thing. The paragraph mark, they are talking about this thing. You see now, there's a paragraph mark here. So there's no paragraph mark. They hided it. So let's keep it hidden and then copy. Just highlight and press Control C. We copy it. Control C is a copy. So let's see what are they saying. And then paste the text in the blank paragraph in the micro learning section. Blank paragraph in a micro learning section. Okay, let's check. Micro learning section is this one. So blank paragraph, obvious they are talking about this one. What do? Control V. We are pasting. Done. We are pasting. Done. You can press backspace so that this line spacing become the same with this one. This line space become the same with this one. Then we pasted our our paragraph there. You can close. You are done with this one. You can close it and proceed with your instruction. Go to the next comment in the document, read the comment, and then delete it. The next comment, we are from here. Now we replied this one, meaning the next comment, they are talking about what this one. This is the next comment. So let us read. There is no need for you to read loud or audible because you are going to delete. They said, go to the next comment in the document, read the comment, and then delete it. Okay, just delete it, even if you did not read. For what? You delete it, and then let's go to the next instruction. To the next instruction, find the sentence. Blended learning also considers shortened attention spans by allowing learners to train at their own pace and convenience. Okay, you have to find this sentence. You have to find this sentence. So insert the footnote in the proper position at the end of the sentence. Footnote, they want you to insert this one. So it's very simple. Just remove this bold, and then you press Control. After highlighting, you remove the bold, press Control C, you copy this one. They want you to insert this one. They want you to insert blended learning combines online media with traditional method. So let's go and find the blending learning also considered shortened what. The blending learning, we will find it. It is this one. The blending learning also considered a shortened what. Let's see, what are they saying? We insert the following footnote in the proper position at the end of the sentence. Okay. This is what we do. This is what we do. You see here, we just click here. We just click here before the period. Before the period. Yes, before the period. They say before the period most of the time. So when you want to do to apply this footnote, remember that they want you to insert before the period. But here they did not state. We can go and check how did they inserted that footnote in a before period or what, because we have what here. We have what? Okay. It's after the period. So no problem. We go. We have memorandum here. We have memorandum. It's after the period. When they talk about the period, they are talking about this this thing. And so we insert here. When they say before the period, we insert here. Okay. So now we insert after the full stop. When they say before the period, it's before the full stop. So let us insert a footnote with those words I copied from the instructions. Footnote has to do with referencing. Footnote have to do with referencing. So we go straight to referencing. Here is our footnote. You see, this is our footnote. So you just click this footnote. You see now, it gives you an options here under the line with that one. So you just press Control V to paste that you copied from the instruction. You are done with this one. So you continue with the instruction. Find the instance of the word worker in the document and use employee to replace it. Hit. You should make 4 replacement. If you don't find 4 worker here in the document, 4 worker, not workers, they say worker. If you don't find 4 worker, it means you will not get it. This one, you are wrong. So what do? They say we must find this worker, and then let's highlight this worker, and then we copy it. Control C. We go straight to our document. And then let's go to home. Let's go to home. So as you can see here, this is our find. And then we click find. You see you see here, you see here, you see, that's where we are going to paste worker. We are going to paste worker here. So let us paste worker. You just go straight and click here on Control V. We are pasting work. You see the 4 results. That's why I said, and they are showing you this those work. And that's why I said, if you don't find 4, it means you are not doing it correctly. So let us check. What are they saying? Let us check. What are they saying? Where are we? Okay. In the document, and use employee to replace. That means we are going to use employee to replace that worker, that 4 worker. So that 4 words. Yes. So we say Control C after highlighting this employee, and we go straight to the document. Now we are in the document, and then we click here. Now we want to replace. Click on the replace. We click on editing. Some document you'll just find find somewhere and replace somewhere. So here you find it on editing. Just click replace, and then you see this worker is here, and then I paste the employee. So what do? Replace all. I click replace all here. Let's see. We made 4 replacements. Do you want to continue searching from the document? No, I don't want to continue searching because they said I must replace 4 words. So I don't want to do that. I just close. I'm done. You see, those it was workers here. There's employee. So we are done. Let's proceed with the next instruction. Insert the plain number 3 page header from the top of page gallery, and then close the header. Okay. What do? They want you to insert the plain number 3 page header from the top of the page gallery. Go straight to our let's close here. We are done with this thing. Let's go here. So when you insert this what's this header, you go to insert. You click on the insert. Yeah, you see now there is insert. That's where you are going to find header. Where? Here. This is header. But now you don't click this header. They said page number on header. So this page number falls under header and footer. So you click here. What did they said? They said page number 3. They said plain number 3 page header. Plain number 3 page header. So you come here. You came here, and then you start to check which one is plain number 3 on the page number or page header. Taking time. It will give you an option. You see now, these are the planes. These ones are the planes, but they said plain number 3, which means we are going to click on plain number 3 like this. We are done. They said close header and footer. You go straight here to close. You are done. So let's check. I'm running because this software I'm using to record here it have a maximum minutes, so I don't want to exceed those minutes. I don't want to have inconvenience. So we done this one. We done with this one. Number 12. At the beginning of the document, insert a comment with the following text. This is the final draft for your review. We are going to insert a comment with this text. It's very, very simple. You just highlight the text and then remove the bold if you want and press Control C. You are copying this text. And then now you go to apply. Now you are going to apply this comment. You are going to comment using this text. Let's go. Okay. They said at the beginning. Here is the beginning of the document. You can put your cursor here or you can highlight here like this. You see? So, how do we comment? Come straight to the review. Go straight to the review. And then, after highlighting, you go straight to the review after highlighting. You see, you have you have clicked the review, and then the options appeared. Then you click on a new comment. This is a new comment. You are beginning a comment. You see now, this Sylvia is highlighted, and then now there is a dialog box where you can put those texts. They said you must put it here. What do? We just press Ctrl V. We're pasting our text. If you send and then you find that you're exhausting your attempt, that means they want you to just put a cancer here, like they did in your mock test. See, you can just, after pasting, just put your cancer here. But if you see, okay, they say it is wrong, and you know you did it correctly, it means you have to send. Done. Let's check. Your document should look like the final figure on the following pages. Save your changes, close the document, and then exit the Word. Follow the direction on the same website to submit your completed project. That means we are done. Let's check. Is indeed our document look the same with this one? With this one from the project. We're comparing our final product with the one in the project instruction, with the one inside the instruction. Let's scroll down and check. This is their final product. This one is their final product. Let's go. This is our final product. This one. This is our final product. The same. We done. We killed it. Commented, we replied, everything. We formatted everything. Formatting in Word, in computer, I repeat, they are telling you to edit. When they say something is formatted, that means it's edited. So familiarize yourself with this type of language. Familiarize yourself with this type of language. You will not go wrong. So I believe I'm done with this one. Let me